Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, English isn't just about boring grammar rules, it's about the fun phrases and expressions people actually use. And one of the best ways to learn them? Through TV shows. In this series, we're taking cool expressions straight from the Vampire Diaries, one of the most iconic shows ever, and breaking them down so you can sound more natural in English. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and drop a comment below. Tell me if you want me to cover more awesome expressions from the Vampire Diaries. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. All right, let's jump right in.
An hour's drive to hear that crap. You know, it wasn't even a band, a guy with a guitar. An hour each way.
An hour's drive. The structure, we use this pattern. Time, measure, plus S, noun. It shows that something belongs to or takes that amount of time. Examples with drive. An hour's drive, a drive that takes 1 hour. 2 hours drive, a drive that takes 2 hours. Notice, when it's plural, the apostrophe goes after the S. 1 hour's drive, 2 hours drive. Other common examples. A day's work, work that lasts a day. A week's vacation, vacation that lasts a week. 2 weeks. Notice. When you resign from a job, you give notice that you'll leave in 2 weeks. 5 minutes walk, a walk that takes 5 minutes.
It's half an hour's drive.
If you'd gotten up earlier.
Oh, look, I already lost an hour's sleep on the time change.
You'd all take a week's notice. You'd all take a week's notice.
Toast. I can make toast. It's all about the coffee, Aunt Jenna.
It's all about means the most important thing is, or everything depends on. It's used to emphasize what really matters in a situation. Structure. It's all about noun, pronoun, gerund. Examples. It's all about teamwork. The most important thing is teamwork. It's all about having fun. Everything depends on having fun. It's all about the sauce. The sauce is what really matters. Tone and usage, usually informal or conversational, can be used seriously or humorously. Serious, it's all about balance in life. Funny, it's all about the coffee. Don't translate word for word into your language, it's an idiom. You can replace the noun or gerund with anything important. It's all about practice. It's all about confidence. It's all about patience.
It's all about hiding the crazy and acting like the most confident girl in the room.
It's all about strategy. It's all about strategy.
Real work. Look, man, it's all about attitude, all right?
So, Rams is telling me I'm psychic. Our ancestors were from Salem, which isn't all that. I know, crazy, but she's going on and on about it, and I'm like, put this woman in a home already. So, Rams is telling me I'm psychic.
Psychic is a person who is believed to have special mental powers, to see the future, to sense things beyond normal human ability, or to read people's thoughts. So a psychic is like a fortune teller, or someone with supernatural perception.
Our ancestors were from Salem, which isn't all that. I know, crazy.
An ancestor is a person in your family who lived a long time ago, usually many generations before you. Examples. My ancestors came from Italy. We should respect the traditions of our ancestors. He traced his ancestors back to the 1600s.
But she's going on and on about it.
Expression, going on and on about something, meaning to talk endlessly about something in a boring or annoying way. Synonyms, ramble, rant, keep talking nonstop. Example, he went on and on about his new car. She's going on and on about her vacation photos. Key point, repetition emphasizes the annoyance.
And listen to him going on and on about how much he adores the children while doing nothing to actually take care of them and have perfect hair.
And then they were going on and on and on about that photo of you and Natalie Wood riding around on that bike in Memphis.
He picks me up in his fancy yellow car and he's going on and on about his life and the war.
And I'm like, put this woman in a home already.
Expression, put this woman in a home. A home here means a nursing home or an institution for elderly or mentally ill people. Saying put someone in a home is usually rude or dark humor, meaning this person is acting so crazy, maybe they belong in a care home. Example, Grandpa keeps talking to the TV. Put this man in a home. She's acting so wild, someone should put her in a home already. Tone, sarcastic, joking, sometimes offensive. Word already at the end. In spoken English, already can add impatience or emphasis. Example, come on already. Hurry up. Stop talking already. I'm tired of hearing you. Here, put this woman in a home already. Do it now. Enough is enough.
Who's this? All I see is back. It's a hot back.
Your records are incomplete. You're missing immunization records, and we do insist on transcripts. Your records are incomplete. You're missing immunization records.
Expression, you're missing something. Meaning, you don't have it. It is absent. It's not present. Structure, you subject plus are auxiliary missing plus object. Examples, you're missing a page in your notebook. A page isn't there. You're missing the point. You don't understand the main idea. Note, missing can be both literal, a document is absent, or figurative, not understanding something. Immunization records, meaning documents showing which vaccines you've received. Synonyms, vaccination records, shot records, vaccine history. Context, usually used in schools, clinics, or travel requirements.
And we do insist on transcripts.
Insist on something, to demand something firmly or say that it must be done. Examples, we insist on punctuality. She insists on wearing a hat. Adding do before the verb makes it stronger or more emphatic. Example, I do like chocolate. We do insist on transcripts.
I don't know why you insist on being such a bad example for your people.
I'm going to show you why we insist on such precautions.
Transcript. A transcript is an official record of a student's courses and grades at a school or university. It shows what classes someone took and what grades they got. Often required for college applications, jobs, or transferring schools. Common phrases: official transcript, the certified version from the school. Unofficial transcript, a personal copy, not certified. Request a transcript, ask your school to send it. Example sentences: the college asked for my high school transcript. You must include transcripts with your application. I requested an official transcript from the university office. That's it for today's lesson. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and tell me in the comments. Do you want more lessons with expressions from the Vampire Diaries? Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.